A keyed heavy-duty steel bolt patio door lock to prevent sliding or lifting of door. Adjustable for ventilation or full security with key lock to secure position. Item package dimension 3. 5L x 9. 25W x 1. 5H. Item package weight 0. 66 pounds. 2 keys included. Note: this product is not suitable for dual sliding doors. A keyed heavy-duty steel bolt patio door lock to prevent sliding or lifting of door. Adjustable for ventilation or full security with key lock to secure position. Large rectangular housing and pin are compatible with 1-3/8, 1-3/4 in. Thick doors and a 1/4 in drill hole in the fixed panel rail. Size 6 inches by 1-1/8 in 2 keys included for use on interior and exterior sliding doors, residential, commercial and industrial use. Top reviews from the United States. Solid lock, no more moving a bar of wood. We used to use a bar of wood to lock our sliding door. Our little kids would remove the wood and bang things and each other with it, and the older one could open the sliding door without a problem, even when we did not want them to. This lock has been great. Installation took probably an hour because I took some time to shim the lock so that it would line up with the hole I drilled in the top of the doorway for the bolt to slide into. On a sour note, I bought mine from Amazon warehouse used, like new. It arrived without the key, and there was no easy way to provide feedback to Amazon. I don't see a need to lock myself in the house from the inside with a key, so I am not too concerned. My kids can't reach it or run out of the house, so I am still happy overall.